Hey guys, and thanks for joining me. Hey, I've got some special news I'd like to share with you. I've just been asked to do a special show, filming a show, a series called Buy, Fix and Sell. And what the show will be about is obviously buying property, fixing property, renovating property, and obviously selling property. And it'll be all done on film. The whole experience. It's going to be a real fantastic experience for everybody. So I'm looking for people right now or in the future, so we can plan it, that people want to buy, fix or sell a property. Now, mainly renovation, okay, is the big essence of what we're looking for. So renovating properties, that could be small renos or huge renos. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what the area. It can be north, south, east or west. And I'm looking for people that want to do that. So if you want to make some money, if you want to join my journey and share my journey and be involved with what is going to be a special moment in my life of putting these documentaries on film and showing you how to buy, fix and sell and make a hell of a lot of money, for people that I know, trust and love, of course I want that for you. So if you have any interest at all or have had a desire of buying, fixing or selling, seriously, pick up the phone, message me and let me know of your interest. I'll put your name down and what we'll do is we'll get you interviewed and see if we have a good fit. But look, anybody is welcome. Buy, fix and sell. Let's make some money together and I want to help you do that. Okay? Take care. Hope to hear from you soon.